Good morning and welcome to your Wallops 10 a.m. weather briefing. We have once again hot and humid conditions out there this morning. Those conditions will just intensify for the afternoon. We'll see temperatures reaching in the lower to mid 90s today, but the heat indices will be well into the hundreds, expecting heat indices anywhere from 105 to 109 degrees during the afternoon today. That's going to really make it feel very uncomfortable out there, so if you are working outside today, make sure you do drink plenty of water. We will be seeing some water from the sky, and in the afternoon and the evening in the form of some rain showers and some thunderstorms. With a cold front moving towards our region, that's going to provide us with the possibility of even some strong to severe thunderstorms during the evening hours with some heavy rain, frequent lightning, and strong winds. Across the region yesterday, we were near record high temperatures across the region. Here at Wallops, we were at 95 degrees. That's the warmest we've been all summer. Our record was 97, so just a bit shy of that. Salisbury at 97. Norfolk and Richmond were the hot spots at 99 degrees yesterday. So everywhere in the 90s with high humidity levels, allowing for those heat indices to be over 100 degrees across the region yesterday. So very uncomfortable outside. Across the region last night, we did see some rain-cooled air in some locations. The tidewater did stay in the 80s last night, seeing Langley only at 81 degrees for a low. Ocean City was a cool spot at 72. Here at Wallops, we saw 74 degrees after we did have some rainfall and a thunderstorm moved through the region. Last 24 hours, we had those thunderstorms develop last night around midnight and then move through until about 2:33 a.m. in the morning. That allowed for some heavy rainfall in some locations, and here at Wallops, we saw over an inch at 1.22 inches of rainfall. That was the most across the Mid-Atlantic region. Salisbury was just under an inch at 87 hundredths. Across the region as of 9 a.m., we are seeing anywhere from mostly cloudy to mostly sunny skies, and some locations just remaining sunny. And seeing temperatures rising into the mid 80s across the region in general. Ocean City was the cool spot at 78 as of 9 a.m., but here at Wallops we're 84 degrees under sunny skies. Our sounding from 12Z this morning, our freezing level is at 15,900 feet. Our winds are fairly uniform throughout the whole column today. And this morning we're seeing anywhere from west-southwesterly winds about 15 to 20 knots, either west-southwesterly or westerly throughout the column this morning. Our peak wind this morning at 20,000 feet was 25 knots, so anywhere from about 15 to 20 knots throughout the column this morning. Looking at our 12Z surface analysis, we do have a weak backdoor cold front north of our region that's providing the northeast with a little bit of reprieve from this heat. We also have a cold front that's going to be moving through our region for this afternoon, towards our region this afternoon, through the region late this evening, the overnight hours. This backdoor cold front will not make it through our region, but we'll be seeing the shower and thunderstorm activity start to really develop across central Virginia for this afternoon and build towards our region for this evening. And that's going to give us those chances of showers and thunderstorms with that cold front moving through. Also see a chance of those showers and thunderstorms lingering as this cold front continues to move slowly through our region overnight. We'll have an area of high pressure that's currently across the upper plains that's going to be moving towards our region for our Saturday. That's going to be providing us with hot but less humid conditions across the region and also dry weather in store for the first half of the weekend. Looking at our observation page from this morning, we're seeing the winds have turned from the south to southwest as was expected during the 8:15 briefing this morning. We're seeing those temperatures continually rise. We're already 85 degrees here at Wallops. I just looked at the ASOS, and we're continuing to see those temperatures to build in the afternoon hours in the lower 90s. You see heat indices well into the hundreds today, and we're already at 97 degrees here at Wallops as of 10 a.m. I have some showers and thunderstorms across the northern portions of the Mid-Atlantic region this morning, moving from the west to the east. That's going to continue to do so this morning. We won't be impacted by these showers this morning, but we'll have further convection develop along the Appalachian Mountains and move into central Virginia and towards our region for this evening. Looking at our prog charts the next couple days, here's our Friday midday planner. We'll have that area of cold frontal boundary and moving through our region, even a weak low along that cold front. This is depicting a trough with a weak low, but I do expect the cold front to actually be moving through our region for our Friday nighttime period. And that's going to be the real trigger for these showers and thunderstorms across our region. You can see here our Friday night planner with these showers and thunderstorms moving through our region. And then for our Saturday AM planner, could see a lingering shower or thunderstorm as this front kind of becomes slow to move through our region and starting to stall over the North Carolina-Virginia border. For our Saturday, we'll have area high pressure, as I mentioned, moving into the region, having anywhere from partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies with a good amount of cirrus cloudiness, especially during the afternoon hours as convection builds off the south, and we'll still have southwesterly upper level flow that will allow for those cirrus clouds to build towards our region. But we'll stay dry for our Saturday. Looking for our Sunday, we'll have that cold frontal boundary really wash out across the Carolinas. It'll actually start to return as a weak warm front or just a washing out boundary towards our region to the north on Sunday, and that'll continue to linger across the area for most of next week as we'll have an upper level trough building over the Ohio Valley. It's going to give us diurnal or evening time type showers and thunderstorms pretty much every day next week. Looking at our risk chart for today, we're going to have hot and humid conditions across the region, high of 94 degrees. As I mentioned, heat indices expecting during the afternoon to peak about 109 degrees over the Wallops region. Could be seeing slightly higher than that in the central portions of the Delmarva Peninsula. Looking at the shower and thunderstorm chances to start about 1800 local and then continue through the evening and early overnight hours with the best chance of showers and thunderstorms after 8 o'clock tonight, continuing to a little bit beyond midnight. We'll have a yellow for our chances of precipitation and lightning from about 1800 local to 8 o'clock or 20 local. And we'll move into the evening hours, late evening hours. We'll see that chances move up to an orange, so becoming more likely during that time period. And then a yellow for around 4 to 5 a.m. on Saturday with some lingering showers and thunderstorms, and then it will clear out as that front moves south of the region. Also going to see a chance of some heavy rainfall with any of those thunderstorms that move over our region. As we did last night, see that heavy rainfall move through. We saw an inch of rain in a fairly quick amount of time. Could be seeing a very similar case to that tonight as we'll have those showers and thunderstorms moving through. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, currently we have a few clouds at 2,000 feet, a broken deck at 25,000 feet. This afternoon we'll see a little bit more of that fairly cumulus cloud development, a little bit higher, a few at 3,000 feet, a few at 12,000 feet, broken deck at 25,000 feet, and during the evening hours we'll really see those convective type cloud cover starting to move in from the west, seeing a few at 3,000, scattered at 5,000, scattered at 12,000, broken at 25,000, a chance of rainfall, and then a 25% chance of a thunderstorm. Moving on to the 20 local or 8 o'clock tonight, we'll be seeing scattered at 3,000 feet, scattered at 5,000 feet, scattered at 12,000 feet, broken deck at 25,000 feet. A likely scenario will have some rain showers and a 65% chance of thunderstorms, so a likely scenario that we have showers and thunderstorms across the area. And for overnight time period, we'll continue to have those showers and thunderstorms around the region with a 30% chance of thunderstorms, and a slightly higher chance of showers from about 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. And then after that point, the frontal moves south. We'll have clearing conditions, and by Saturday at 8 local, we'll have a few at 2,000, few at 8,000, broken deck at 15,000, a broken deck at 25,000, unrestricted visibilities with mainly just some mid and upper level cloudiness. And our tides are normal. Looking into Saturday into Sunday, Saturday we'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies, slightly less humid by afternoon, a high of 90 degrees, so it will be hot, but the heat index will not be over 100 degrees on Saturday. It looks like it should peak in the mid-90s. Then for Saturday night, we'll have partly cloudy skies, light onshore flow, a low of 71 degrees. And then for Sunday, we'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies, a chance of an afternoon or evening shower or thunderstorm. We'll have a high of 85 degrees. Those showers and thunderstorms are going to be most likely a pop-up variety along a sea breeze boundary, and we have a yellow for our showers and thunderstorms on Sunday afternoon and evening. Looking at our next 7 days, we have 94 degrees today with the showers and thunderstorms likely this evening. Some of those could be strong with high winds and heavy rain as well as frequent lightning. Looking into Saturday, we'll have a high of 90, so still hot but not as humid. Sunday will be continuing with this trend of warm and humid conditions for next week. If we get a bit of a reprieve on Saturday from the humidity, we'll build back in on Sunday. Highs in the mid-80s to upper 80s from Sunday through Wednesday with a very similar weather pattern overhead with chances of evening showers and afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms each of those days. And then for Thursday next week, looks like we're going to be in store for another heat wave for Thursday into late next week, possibly lasting the weekend, as we'll have some warmer air move in from the central portion of the United States. It's going to provide us with temperatures in the upper 80s to lower 90s, and we'll be once again seeing heat indices most likely near 100 degrees for that time period. Well, that's going to complete the weather brief today. I hope everybody has a great day and a great weekend. We'll be back on Monday morning at 8:15 as well as 10 a.m.